Diet soda promises the sweetness without the calories. So a logical question follows. If you swap regular soda for diet, do you lose weight? The answer from the evidence is more complicated than the marketing. No hype, just evidence. On paper, diet soda saves calories. A regular cola has about 140 calories per can, almost all from sugar. Diet versions use non-caloric sweeteners, so the swap looks like an easy win. A 2014 meta-analysis in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition did find that replacing sugar-sweetened drinks with artificially sweetened ones produced small short-term weight reductions. The math works in a controlled trial. But here is the catch. Large observational studies consistently show that people who drink more diet soda tend to have higher body weight. That sounds like a contradiction. It is not. Observational data shows correlation, not causation. People who are already overweight are more likely to choose diet products. The reverse, that diet soda causes weight gain, is not what the studies demonstrate. The more interesting question is, what sweet taste does to appetite? Some controlled trials suggest artificial sweeteners can increase cravings for sweet foods in certain individuals, though the effect is inconsistent. A 2016 review in Cell Metabolism flagged changes in gut microbiota and glucose response, but stopped short of proving weight gain in humans. The mechanism is plausible. The population-level effect is small. A consistent finding across the literature, the best predictor of weight change is total dietary pattern, not any single drink. If diet soda helps you cut liquid sugar and you do not compensate with extra food, it can be a useful tool. If it becomes a license to eat more elsewhere, it backfires. A 2022 randomized trial in obesity found no significant difference in weight loss between groups using diet beverages versus water. For people with diabetes, diet soda avoids the blood sugar spike of regular soda, a clear medical advantage. For weight loss specifically, treat it as a neutral swap, not a magic lever. The habit that moves the scale is the overall calorie balance, not the presence of a sweetener. So, diet soda is not a weight loss drink. It is a lower-calorie alternative. Use it deliberately, not as an excuse. No hype, just evidence.